How does a lawyer affect the outcome of an annulment? Have you ever wondered how a lawyer can shape the outcome of an annulment? This legal process can be quite complex, and having the right representation can make a big difference. An annulment declares a marriage null and void, as if it never existed, unlike divorce, which ends a valid marriage. The reasons for seeking an annulment can include fraud, bigamy, incapacity to consent, or underage marriage, and these reasons can vary based on where you live. When someone wants an annulment, they are called the petitioner. They must provide evidence to support their claim. This is where a lawyer plays a vital role. A lawyer evaluates whether the marriage meets the legal grounds for annulment in the specific area. They gather evidence, review the facts, and prepare the necessary legal documents, such as the petition for annulment. Filing these documents correctly and on time is essential for moving the case forward. Once the petition is filed, the other spouse must be formally notified, a step known as service of process. A lawyer ensures this is done according to the law, which might involve certified mail or a process server. Proper service is critical. If it is not done correctly, the case could face delays or even dismissal. Annulment cases often requiring a court hearing where both sides can present evidence and call witnesses. A lawyer represents the client's interests, argues the legal grounds for annulment, and responds to any challenges from the other side or questions from the judge. They know how to present evidence effectively and cross-examine witnesses, which can be decisive in contested cases. If the other party contests the annulment, the process can become more complicated. Disputes over facts or legal interpretations may arise. A lawyer navigates these challenges and advocates for the client's position, working to resolve disputes efficiently. If the judge rules in favor of the annulment, a decree is issued declaring the marriage null. A lawyer ensures the client receives this official document and understands any further steps, such as updating records or addressing issues like property division or child support. Even though an annulment treats the marriage as if it never existed, children born during the marriage are still considered legitimate, and matters like custody and support must still be resolved. While it is possible to representing oneself in annulment proceedings, these cases can be legally complex. Mistakes in paperwork or procedure can lead to delays or unfavorable outcomes. Lawyers are familiar with these rules and can help avoid common pitfalls. From the perspective of divorce and separation, annulment is a distinct legal remedy with different requirements and consequences than divorce. A lawyer can clarify these differences and guide clients through the process that best fits their situation. In summary, a lawyer affects the outcome of an annulment by ensuring the case is built on solid legal grounds, that all procedures are followed correctly, and that the client's position is presented effectively in court. They help gather and present evidence, handle disputes, and secure the final judgment. While legal representation is not mandatory, it often leads to a smoother and more favorable resolution, especially in contested or complex cases. For those considering annulment as an alternative to divorce, consulting a lawyer early can provide clarity and protect rights.